Hello everyone, how are you all? So, your heat transfer is going well nowadays, I think so. So, my dear students, we have seen radiation heat transfer like it was traveling with the electromagnetic waves with the speed of light and all. So, we will be doing a simple numerical on that so that you will understand what is heat transfer by radiation. Okay, my dear students, so I am considering a numerical, let us focus on that. A satellite in space is of 2 meter diameter and internal heat generation is 200 watt. So my dear students, the diameter is given as 2 meter and the internal heat generation is 2000 watt. Okay. Now, if it is protected from direct solar radiation, so what he is saying? If it is protected from direct solar radiation by earth's shadow, determine its surface temperature. So my dear students, what he is saying, because sun will be there, okay, and due to sun there will be some heat transfer by radiation, but what he is saying, this satellite is protected by your earth's shadow. Okay. So if it will be protected by earth's shadow, that means there will not be any kind of heat transfer by radiation from the sun to that satellite. Okay. So now there is this satellite is in the space. Okay. So this satellite is in the space. So in space there is nothing. There is vacuum. So my dear students, so will there be any conduction heat transfer? No, because there is no material medium. So because conduction requires what? Material medium. So there will be no conduction heat transfer. There will not be any conduction heat transfer. So this will be equal to 0. So will there be any convection heat transfer? Convection heat transfer? No. So there will not be any kind of heat transfer by convection. So my dear students, the all heat generated will go outside. Where? It will go in space. By what? By radiation it will go, because radiation do not require any material medium to travel. So my dear students, let us listen it carefully. So there is a space and there is nothing in the space. So what I am considering is the temperature of space. Is 0 Kelvin. So I am taking temperature of space. Let us take T2 is equal to 0 Kelvin. So I am taking temperature of space as 0 Kelvin. What he is asking? He is asking to determine its surface temperature. So if he has given the diameter, that means that satellite is spherical in shape. Okay. So can I calculate the area now? Yes. So whatever he is given, I am writing. So he has given that heat generated in satellite is equal to 2000 watt. Okay. And diameter is given, my dear students. Diameter is how much? That is 2 meter. So radius will become r is equal to 1 meter. So can I calculate the area now? Yes, the area for sphere, assuming that to be spherical shape. So area will become A is equal to 4 pi r square. This will become 4 pi into 1 square. Okay, my dear students. Now I have to calculate the surface temperature. So whatever the heat will be generated inside that satellite, it will go to the space. Why? By radiation only. Okay. By radiation, this heat, all heat will go to the space. And now what will happen? Let us see. So what I can see is heat generated will be equal to heat radiated. So my dear student, what is the heat generated here? So heat generated here is given as 2000 watt. And what is the heat radiated? So we have seen in the previous video that radiation heat transfer is directly proportional to T to the power 4. Okay, we have seen it. So what will be the radiation heat transfer here? So it will be directly proportional to T to the power 4. So it will become sigma into area into T to the power 4. Okay, that is, let us take that surface temperature to be Ts. Okay, So Ts to the power 4 minus T to the power 4, where heat is radiated from higher temperature to lower temperature, which is the lower temperature is space temperature. Okay, so this will become T to the power 4. Okay, my dear students, let us put all values. Then I can easily calculate that Ts to the power 4. So that this will become 2000 watt is equal to sigma. The value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 multiplied by area. So area will be 4 pi into 1 square, and your temperature Ts we have to calculate, Ts to the power 4 we have to calculate, and this temperature is in 0. This temperature, space temperature is 0. So my dear students, we will have Ts to the power, Ts is equal to 2000 divided by 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 multiplied by 4 pi to the power 1 by 4. So our temperature will be, let us calculate it. So this will become, my dear students, this is given as 2000 watt divided by how much? 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 multiplied by 4 into pi. Okay, 4 into pi. So this will become equal to how much? So this will become equal to the power 1 by 4, it will become 230.18 K. 230.18 Kelvin. Okay. So the temperature here will be 230.18 Kelvin. So we have easily calculated the surface temperature of that particular satellite, which is coming to be 230 Kelvin, 0.18 Kelvin. So it will radiate heat from its surface, that is outer surface, because it is spherical in shape. Okay, outer surface to this space, and the whole heat will be dissipated into the space by radiation. So you have seen all these things. Let us try them at home. Do all the questions of basic radiation right now, because I have told you all. So thank you, my dear students.